Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've got to get these dolls open. Look at that. That's how they came yesterday. Oh, I have a haul.
Looks like they propped the truck up with it.
Yeah, had a flat tire and used it. What do we have? Oh, wigs, little bags to put shoe soles in for Winterfest. I bought another one of these pins. I thought it's a little too big for a Smart Doll. That worked for an 18-inch doll, but it's a little too big for a Smart Doll. So I guess you're gonna have to print something. The lighting is terrible today. I know that. It is cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. We could use the rain. And all we've been getting are the clouds, not the rain. Well, I'll get this in a minute. I bought new scissors. These are going in the trash, which I hate, but they are years past their time. I bought these little stickers on the front page of AliExpress. I thought that'd be fun to put on the outside of Happy Meals to send people. Let's see about these wigs. These were on the front page of AliExpress for less than $6. They were like $5 something. That is cute. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Pretty, 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 pretty. These are for Smart Dolls. I think looks a little large, but I have those silicone things. Now for my Never Say Never Adams, I had to run a seam, and what I did is I took this backwards on my sewing machine and I just put a dart in it. Worked out. We'll see how that fits. And I got two black straight hair that are very long. I won't open those. You've seen them. If you haven't, you can go back on my channel. I am anxious to open these poor dolls. AliExpress has that sale going on the homepage of their website, AliExpress homepage. And you can just go through. I mean, I spend more time on there than I should. I can't even open this. It's so broken. Oh, this is awful. Come on, dollies, be all right. Oh, they look all right. I'll check their legs. That looks okay. Let's see this one. Face. Let's get their legs out and check. I bought these dolls because I am hoping, and we will have to wait and see what postage rates are after the first of the year. I bought these little dolls. I have in the past. For the last few years, I've been sending out Blythe dolls. Oh, the hair's not bad at all. Oh, I love that color. I've been sending out Blythe dolls to 4 or 5 or I think we did 6 with the purple. And doing little collabs. I'm trying to remember what all we have done. I know we've done fairies with a dark pink hair, and then we did the Playboy bunny, Easter bunny with the purple hair, and now we're gonna do Pastel princess. Oh, I want to check his legs and arms. Seems okay. Seems all right. Pastel princess. And I will be, God willing, and the creek don't rise and the postage doesn't go up. I went to send, and it has to be to an active subscriber. And that means you are subscribed to my channel, you watch my channel, you like my videos, and you leave comments. Really like that. I went to send just and only in the package, like an envelope package, like a letter envelope package, to the UK and Scotland. It was a little tote bag, just a little tote bag for a Smart Doll. They wanted wasn't it over $20 now?
It was like, yeah, it's like 1937 or something.
Was it? Okay, I was thinking it was over. But at any rate, ridiculous. I said, no, I just can't do that. So it does have to be U.S. I hate that, but I just can't. Okay, I would say we have 2 good dolls. That was iffy. Our hands are here. All right.
Keep in the box, right?
Yeah. Silly boy. And I think, anyway, we sent out, I think we sent out 5 or 6 purple hair girls. We sent out, I don't even remember how many of the dark pink fairies, quite a few. It's a little costly, but it's really fun, so Darren and I do it. It's kind of a fun thing on our channel. And I have, so far, 4 of these girls. So we'll see about posting. Their hair is really nice. I'll tell you what, Good Smile and used to be Takara could really learn from this hair. I don't understand why they have such nasty hair that they send out. It's either greasy or dry or static filled, or I don't get it. All right, these dolls, when we send them out, will come with a little Happy Mail to boot. They'll have a stand and a neck joint, and I don't know, what else do we send, Darren? Shoes
and headbands. And...
Yep, shoes and headbands. And the shoes are 3D printed. I really like the shoes that Darren makes. They're like, kind of like little Mary Janes. Slip-ons, loafer Mary Janes. Oh, she's so cute. Let's see. Is that body twisted? No, just from being in the bag. And we will probably mail these out at the first of the year because we're going to do this. Mark your calendars. This one has thicker hair. Isn't that funny? Mark your calendars. We're going to do this March 21st at 10 a.m. Central. Pastel Princess, however you want to interpret that. And we're going to do it at 10 a.m. Central. We are inviting anyone at all. You can use any doll you want, but we're going to be using the light-haired pink Blythe dolls, doing face-ups and buying or making outfits. It's really going to be fun. Anyway, we invite you to put that on your calendar and join us. Thanks for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Oh, you know what I should have done? Put this on the gray. Wait a minute. Let's do that. So you can see all 4 colors. And you can change their eyes or leave them in one of these colors. Oh, they're so cute. I love the Blythe dolls.
And subscribe.
Yep.